Magandang hapon po ng January 11, 2024, Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 11, 2024, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, January 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 11, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 571 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Thursday, January 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 11, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.